First thing you're going to need is some floss threaders. You can get these at Walmart or any superstore. They're used for basically brackets to go between those that have braces. You do is you take one of these out. Okay. You notice it's blue. So you split this open like this. All right. Now you have two ends. Right. Here's the bracelet. This happens to be a bracelet that I have. Take this end right here. Put this in and that in. You see how it's in one band now. Pull it around. Right. You see, I can hold it with my hand here. I can hold it. And because of that, I'm able to loop it around, give it taut, and then there I am. I have my bracelet on using my own hands without anyone helping me. Thank you guys very much. I'm going to leave the follow-on video of the shoelaces, how to tie shoes, and I will also leave my Patreon and my Instagram account, which I am on more than I am on here. And if today's the day in our subscription, thank you guys very much and have a wonderful day.